Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? Oh my goodness, today's videos we're gonna do unboxing of a Louis Vuitton, and plus at the end we're doing a giveaway. So definitely stay tuned and find out what's this amazing giveaway. Little hint, it's gonna be 10 people gonna win this giveaway. Okay, let's get started. Alright, so if you've been following me on my social media on Instagram, you probably know I was totally into buy a nano bag from Louis Vuitton, either from a brand new or pre-love, and I have one more pieces coming in here. Once I get them, I will do my little mini collection to share with you guys how I dress them, how I carry them. I think I'm so excited. So today's videos we're doing a summer collection. It's the Louis Vuitton Escale collection, I think that's how you pronounce that. I actually ordered this online, so when you order on louisvuitton.com, they always come in this genetic box, and when you open it, it shows that Louis Vuitton right here. So it's very different that you order from the store, they ship it to you. It's a little bit different, okay? And so you open this one, and by the way, it's not 100% true unboxing because I already did an unboxing on Instagram, but I feel like on YouTube I can give you more detailed review because the camera is better, things like that. Okay, so this is the box right here. Okay, let me get my computers ready. I need the sizes. Let me show you this. Oh my god, this feels so good. Alright, ta-da! So when you buy direct from the .com, one thing I really like about that is that it always give you the pre-packed label. For any reason, if you don't want it, you can always send it back to them. Hassle-free, I like that. It has a very clear return policy. You must return within 30 days in the perfect conditions. So I think that's really, really nice. And here's the receipt that I purchased right here. Okay, so let's open this baby up here. So amazingly beautiful. Look at this. I just take it all in. It is the KIRIGAMI at Escale collections. Anybody also into KIRIGAMI from Louis Vuitton, let me know. I'm really interested to see that. So KIRIGAMI has a different design. Basically come in 3 different sizes. The largest one is, hold please, it is about, wait, that's not even in inches. It's in centimeters. I don't think that's gonna help me. So okay, so the large one actually will hold your mini iPad basically. And then when you open it, there's a medium one. The medium one is more like a passport holder. I'll tell you what I use this later. This is the size I love the most. Oh my god. And then when you open this one, this small size in here, this is more like a coin bag. I love this. I mean, I use this for all my credit card and cashes in there. So this 2 sizes is the one I like the most. This one, I don't particularly like it because it's a little bit awkward size. I don't even know what to put in there. But anyway, so this is 3 different sizes in here. And for the price that you pay, you get 3 different pieces. It's not bad at all. So this is actually all made in France. Let me show you guys a little bit. So as you can see that this collections, it's very pastel. There's a lot of blue, a lot of rainbow colors, very vibrant, very, very summers. I personally don't care the pastel pink color. It's not really me, but I love the little red, ombre, red and pink. You see this color right here? See that? Let me open this one up. So inside also is red too. It's also made in France. So this one, it holds up to 6 different. What just happened? So this little card holder here hold up to 6 different credit cards, and you can put cashes in there. I use this all the time. This is by far the best things ever. And then this medium size, also made in France. Inside is the royal blue colors. I think this color is really pretty though. See that? So typically what I would do, I'll show you, I put credit card and money in here, and I slice in here this way, so it looks like that. Then I can put my car key right here or other items. Then I place this in my bag. So it's just easy to carry around. I did order on Etsy for the insert and the chain. Try to wear like a messenger bag. Soon as I receive that, I will do a review for you guys. If any of you have a good idea how to style the kirigami, definitely leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you. And then the large one, obviously I don't really use that, so but it's pretty though. If you like pink, you will love this. Like my friend Heart Defensor, she loves pink, so she's totally into this particular color. So let me know, what do you think about this kirigami collection? I think it's very, very cute. A lot of time I feel like there's so many launches in Louis Vuitton and you can't possibly buy everything that you like. But I feel like if you want to invest something to be part of the collections, buying something that you will use, that's very, very important. This baby right here is still very expensive, but at least for the price you pay, you get 3 different bags. So I feel like that's actually not bad at all. So excuse me, rather than just getting one piece. So that's why I like this. Alright, now you've been waiting for this, talk about the giveaway. Alright, so first thing I want to show you, take a look at this picture right here. What do you think? So I want to say that real quick, this is not a sponsored giveaway, okay? I'm not a major blogger yet, so anytime I want to do a giveaway, I need to pay for it. But what's really cool is that I contacted the company, I told them that I want to prepay 10 of this item, and it's okay that they ship it to you guys. And they say, yeah, absolutely. So I was really appreciate them. So the company is called, hold please, I lost it. It's called, I'm gonna put her information down below on Instagram so you can check it out. It's called Madebyjasmine. So it's a custom trending cups. So what they're doing is they buy like a Starbucks cups. I think they bought, yeah, this is Starbucks cups and a reusable cup, but then they customize for different design. And so personally, I absolutely love this design. Look at this iridescent colors. Okay. By the way, it did come with the straw, and I don't know where the straw go. But you see on the video and the picture here, right, there's a little purple iridescent straw in there. So this, I think, is so adorable. Look at this. So I want to give away 10 of this, but because this is small business based in the US, so this giveaway will be strictly for the US residents only. So 10 of those, and if you're interested to get this, here is how you're going to win this amazing Starbucks customized Louis Vuitton iridescent cups. I am really in love with this. It's so pretty, my goodness. And I haven't gone out yet, but she said that you can actually take this to Starbucks and to fill the venti drink, and you also get discount because of recyclable cups. I don't know, you can do this as a drive-through. You probably do it in the store in person. So I definitely gonna give it a try. And I wonder if I use this in the Starbucks, are they gonna write my name on here? I don't know. Interesting. Alright, so I hope that 10 lucky winner are gonna win this really super cute customized Starbucks cups by Madebyjasmine. So Madebyjasmine, thank you so much for helping me to make this happen. I really appreciate this, and definitely support the business. It's so cute, the cup that they made. Alright, so at the end I want to say thank you so much for watching my YouTube video today. It means a lot to me. If you have not followed me on my social media, please do so. I have 2 accounts. Mr. J in one is about fashion, luxury, and travel, and Skin by Steve J is all about beauty. Alright, so I want to do a preview for next week's video. Are you ready? Next week we are going to do drum roll thing. We are going to do a natural makeup tutorial, meaning that the makeup that you can put on yourself and you can go outside on a regular daylight. Exactly. So many people do this dramatic makeup on social media, but in real life, are you gonna walk out the door like that? You probably not. Especially somebody like you and me. We are over 40, in our mid 40, right? I mean, you just cannot do that heavy duty stuff. That look crazy. But we still want to look good. So I want to show you how I do my makeup. It's all about that luminosity, glossy, subdued makeup. So that's next week's video. Alright, so thank you so much, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!